I would call this the side plane, same direction, split time Jedis. So same direction. If you start an overhand, the right one's just going to do the upstalls, and then the left one will do the downstalls. Okay, so the right hand does this, up, up, up. So it's just the U stalls on your side plane in the front box and the back box. And then the left hand does the same slots, only one is in the back and one is in the front, coming from over the top. So they're both just doing half of a giant with a stall. All you do is, okay, and then if you started in overhand, your right hand will go behind you and upstall while the left one goes in front to start it. So like if you were in a weave like this, then you might open up your weave, bring your right hand behind and your left one in front to get into it. Like that. Let's start an overhand weave. Then from the overhand weave, we're going to drop stall with the left in the front and up stall with the right in the back. Right now, here we go. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Okay, now third set. Now fourth set. Now do one more behind and then come out in underhand weave. And let's found to the right. Because I'm gonna face with my back to you, so you can just model me from behind. So overhand weave on the left. I guess I'm doing it when it's coming from the bottom here. So the right's on the bottom. This is where I'm opening into it. Right, so I'm in the weave. When the right's on bottom, right here, then I go into it. And then when the right is back here, so the right is up here, imagine that, the left is here. What you'll do with the left hand is you'll take it here and come underneath the right hand to go into underhand weave. So you're in overhand weave. When the right's on bottom, pull it back behind, and here we go. We're in the combo, okay? And now, not this one, but this next one, you're going to exit into the underhand weave. So what I'm doing is the right hand is back here, and I'm coming over the top of the left hand. Weave. When the right's on bottom, we're going to pull it back, and Jedi, and second set, and third set, and fourth set. Okay, now this next one, we're going to exit to underhand weave, and turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, and open your legs, stall right between the legs, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, take out right, take out left, take out right up, take out left up, angel again, giant to angel, hold the angel behind the head, so behind the head, butterfly, come back to front, thread the needle. We're going to take the right over the left shoulder, and then the left over the right shoulder in these little thread the needle takeouts, and take out there, and the right over the left, and the left over the right, and the right over the left, and we're back to overhand butterfly, double stall out, stall under the leg with the right, double stall out, stall under the leg with both, and back to into giant butterflies, split time giant butterflies. Now we're going to turn right 180 into underhand split time giant butterflies, and turn right 180 back to overhand. And then small split time butterflies, same time butterfly, take out left, stall left, overhand weave. Here we go. We're going to open it up when the right's on bottom and come to the Jedi stall side and repeat. And third set and fourth set. And now half, come into underhand weave and giant left, giant right, giant left, giant right, back to underhand weave and turn to overhand weave. And we're going to open our legs, stall the left hand. So now you're in opposite direction, and we're going to do the double up side plane Jedis in opposite direction. And now add the turn, turning left, turning right, back to opposite direction. I was going to go into an opposite direction weave, but I'm not sure you're there yet. So let's bring it back to butterfly, angel again, angel again, angel again, and stall left, turn left, and we're going to go into this 2-petal flower here, and then reverse into the 4-petal anti-spin, and then we're going to reverse into the 2-petal flower again, and then reverse into the 4-petal anti-spin, and then the 2-petal flower, and then reverse into the 4-petal anti-spin, and then the 2-petal flower, and then one more time reverse into the 4-petal anti-spin, go into the overhand weave. You're going to go into that side plane stall combo. Here we go. And second set, third set, and fourth set. Okay, and now on this next one, we're going to come into the underhand weave again, turn right to overhand weave, and open the legs, stall left, come to the front to underhand butterfly angel, butterfly angel, butterfly angel. Now we're going to do the grand top, out, switch, bottom, front, top, out, switch, bottom, front, top, out. And so the switch is the flipping of the wrists. As you're coming down, flip the wrist here and up, the Y, the M, the I to front. Top, out, low, bottom. Top, out, low, bottom. One more time. Come to the front and split time, opposite direction. Giants. Now stack your circle up. Right on bottom, right on top. And so we're gianting to the right, gianting to the left, gianting to the right, gianting to the left, gianting to the right, gianting to the left. And now, as we go to the right, you're going to turn 180 into overhand and do the same combo in the overhand stack circle. So they're alternating. And then doing the giant on the side. And then we're going to turn again to the right. When the right hand is on bottom, turn to the right, back to underhand on the front. Bring it down into underhand split time butterfly. All right, we'll start again, facing the left, overhand weave. Then from here, we're going to open it up and do 4 times on that side Jedi. And second set, third set, fourth set. Now get ready. Come in after this to the underhand weave. Turn right to overhand weave. Turn left to underhand weave. Turn right to overhand weave. Turn left to underhand weave, and let's do a drop stall over the shoulder with each hand. Come back into overhand, turn to underhand, bring it behind the back, and then try not to hit your skirt 80 times, and then come to the front, spiral, reverse, spiral, reverse, spiral, reverse. Tap your right poi on your right foot and stack the circles. So we should be in overhand stack circles. And stack circles, when you have them with your right hand on the bottom, we're going to turn right 180. And stack, and stack, and stack, and stack, and turn right 180. And now, when you have your right hand on top, we're going to turn left 180, stack, and now turn left 180. And now when the right's on bottom, turn right 180. And again, woof! And now we're going to change it to the right's on top, and then we're going to turn left. And here we go, right's on top, turn left 180, and then again. And then we're going to come into overhand split time butterfly, and then come into regular butterfly. And then we're going to turn to the side and do the double up stalls. And then come into the double up stall on the front and then into underhand butterfly so we can go into the grand. So it's top, Y, flip the hands to the bottom. And top, Y, low, behind the back, and behind the head, open, low, open, behind the back. And then we're going to hip reel, open the legs, double stall under the legs, into overhand butterfly, cross her left over the shoulder, and then take out right over the left shoulder, and cross her left over the right shoulder, and cross her right over the left shoulder. Clean shift it up over the head, and we're going to take the right poi tap behind the back, turn left, go into a 4-beat corkscrew, and now bring it into a 2-beat corkscrew, and now bring it into together time, and tap, up over the head, turn around and tap, and up over the head, turn around and tap, up over the head, turn around and tap, and up to pinwheel and counterclockwise, and come down and spiral, and chill.